Hey Joe, how's it going? This is Josh. I'm Ron's son-in-law and daughter's husband, right? Allie. So, and Roland's dad. We appreciate the impact wrench. He is not having school on Friday, or else he would be bringing that to show and tell. We're gonna check with his teacher to make sure he's allowed to bring that. But that's a really neat show and tell, and so he's excited about it. And I wanted to make this video for you real quick because I talked to Ron yesterday or the day before. You know, he said that you're pretty slammed with work, in that you know, the fact that you only have 2 car bays makes it tough for you to be able to take on more work. So what I wanted to do was be able to give you some suggestions, just to kind of improve your presence on the internet. Because I noticed like you made a Facebook page, which is good. You got to make sure that you probably want to just have it named Joe's Repair Shack, and then Facebook you can set the location. There's a place for you to set the location, not just to Belleville, Illinois, but to 100 West Main, right? You know, and then you can put your phone number in here as well. If you want, you can also add me. I can help just set that up for you real quick. But then the next thing you want to do to help your presence on the internet is to go and type in Joe's Repair Shack into Google, right? And then you'll hit the Maps button. So I can just show you that real quick, right? You're on Google, you go to Joe's Repair Shack, right? And it's going to want to correct it to Joe's Repair Shack, right, with the apostrophe. And you hit Maps button here. And it's going to pop you up here, right, as far as your position. You've got 30 5-star reviews. You need to be taking advantage of this shit, right? I was able to add your phone number here to the edits, but you need to click this button where it says Claim This Business, right? Claim that business. Follow the instructions that it gives you. You'll have to use your email address and whatnot. Once you have it, you can always add me if you want to in the future to help. But what you need to be doing is once you have the business claimed, I'll show you one of my businesses that I have. It's kind of a home repair business. And I have different contractors that help me do some of the work. It's called Metro East Home Repair, right? And you'll see that your business on Google, this will kind of show up here, right? You'll want to go in and hit Edit Your Profile. Like I said, you could add me and I can help just set up the basic information, you know, business information here. And you'll edit your name, your category, right? Yours is going to be like a repair shop. Make sure your phone number's on there. One day, maybe you'll want a website, but you want to wait to put up a website till you're in a position where you need more work or want more work. Because once, like if I build websites for people, I build them so that it starts bringing in a ton of work, right? Your service area will be Belleville, Illinois. Set up your hours, and whatnot. And so then, if we go back to just the edit the profile, right? You need to add photos. Take pictures of every single car you repair. Every single one, whether it's an oil change or whatnot. Just take a picture of it and you just upload it, right? Upload every picture. If you can get 100 pictures up here, you're going to be flying. Your business will be flying. People will see it, right? You can also do simple things such as like, you know, promote. You could do just add update, post an update to your customers. I do this all the time, right? You just say, hey. And then you add a photo of an oil change that you just did. Hey, we're running an oil change special right now. You don't actually have to be running a special. We're running an oil change special right now. Give us a call if you need your oil changed, right? And then you select call now, and they'll call your number, and you'll seriously get a ton of oil change stuff. Just say oil change in Belleville, Illinois, right? We're running a special. Always do that. We're running a special, right? We are interested in your special. And you'd be like, yeah, my special's this price, right? Whatever it is you want to charge, right? Add a photo, though. Make sure every time you do this, you add a photo. Take tons of photos, man, and update this, right? If you need help, let me know. I do this stuff all the time. I market businesses. I make it so that they're #1 on Google, right? if you do, oil change, Belleville, Illinois, right? There's approximately, if I do that keyword here, there's approximately 30 people every month looking for an oil change, right? It's easy to rank for that word, but you would need a profile, or you would need a website, an actual website with like joesrepairshack.com to be able to rank for that. So, but for the time being, man, like the cheapest, easiest thing to do is to utilize this and then ask your customers to leave you a Google review. Say, hey, could you do me a favor? Go on Google and leave me a 5-star review. It helps my business out a ton, right? Do that, and you'll be golden, man. If you can get this up higher, that's even better. Let me know if you got any more questions, man. This is, what I do, and these are some free things that you can do that don't cost any money, that'll help improve your presence on the internet. So let me know if you got any questions.